We're going to begin our physics crash course by talking about units, scientific notation, and significant figures. So first off, what is a unit system? Unit system is a system of one standard scientific unit of measurements for various properties. The scientific community uses the metric system, which is different from the US system. Distance is measured in terms of meters. Mass is measured in grams. Volume is measured in liters. Temperature is measured in centigrade or Kelvin. Time is measured in seconds. Well, this is one thing that we're familiar with as Americans. Electric current is measured in ampere. To help you remember how different the metric and the American unit system is, we only unify on the units for time. Everything else is pretty much